2011 Ford E250 Handicap wheelchair conversion van. This is a VMI Tuscany van. Clean Carfax. 49,000 original miles. Beautiful van. 6-inch lowered floor. Braun Millennium Series 2 lift. It is a VMI Tuscany conversion. Heavy duty suspension. Van is gorgeous inside and out. Low mileage, no rust. Has two-tone leather interior. Heavy duty tow package. Again, lowered floor, Braun Millennium Series 2 lift. The lift is actually manufactured 2014. There's very minimum usage on it. We did have it serviced at Mobility Works, so it is good to go. This van is beautiful inside and out. It has indirect lighting. It's got window shades. Very nice. The body is laser straight, no paint work. It has a rear power folding electric bed, backup camera, and this thing is awesome. You have two areas you can lower the bed from. I'll show you both. I'll give you the tour here. Two-tone leather interior. It's beautiful inside. Got the LED lights up top. Carpet's in nice shape. Little bit of wear and tear from the wheelchair going in and out over there in the rear cargo area. But other than that, this van is almost flawless. The VMI Tuscany is a very expensive conversion. It does have Q-straint retractable tie downs in the floor. You got 4 of those. Excellent feature. Has the L-track so you can move them around. Again, got the inside here. The rear folding bench seat. The lift is almost like new condition. Super nice van. Leather interior. The van is running right now. We do have the emergency brake engaged so that we can work the wheelchair lift here. As you can see, 49,910 miles. Excellent condition. Inside now. Have the Intermotive intelligent lift interlock system. Dual air. The original window sticker comes with the vehicle as well. Have some stuff from Tuscany there, the conversion company. It's a very nice, clean van. Well taken care of, no rust. Beautiful inside and out. I'm going to show you how this wheelchair lift works here. You can get an idea. It's very easy. It has the point here that you can go up and down, if you're familiar. It also has the pendant from Braun Ability, which has a hanger here if you need to hang it. There's also another hanger down there, but works very simply, as you can see. This is a brand new pendant as well. Go up. Again, we had this lift checked out at Mobility Works. Everything is working perfectly. This is one of the best lifts you can buy. We sell a lot of handicap vans. This is a great setup. Got the lowered floor. As you can see, the condition of the lift is excellent. There's the manufacturer date, February of 2014. And then you just hang your pendant there and you're good to go. Excellent shape. Beautiful van. Tires are in good shape. Not much to do, but just drive it. It is ready to go today. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Again, that's 954-561-2499. You can text us at that same number. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.